Hello kids, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing well. Yes, I'm fine too. Yeah, you need to ask what are we gonna do today? Yes, we are gonna learn about the fruits and their names. Today I'm going to have a lot of fun. Fix this in its place. Let's start with the different fruits. So, what is this? Yes, it's watermelon. We need to find the watermelon from all these fruits. Where are you, watermelon? Is it that? No, it's a kiwi. Is it so? No. Is it watermelon? Yes, it's a watermelon. A watermelon. Yummy. Watermelon. So, next we need to find the kiwi. Where are you, kiwi? Is it this? No, it's a pear. Is it this? No, it's an orange. Is it a kiwi? Yes, it's a kiwi. A kiwi. A kiwi. So, next is the turn for the next fruit. That's yes, it's a passion fruit. Where are you? Is it this? No, no. This is here. Yes, it's a passion fruit. Yummy. You wanna have a close look? Yes. The next is orange. Where are you, orange? Orange, orange, orange. Here I am, here I am. How do you do? And what is the next fruit? Fig. Where are you? Can you see the fig? Is it fig? No, it's pear. Here it is. Yes. Uh-oh. A fig. The next is avocado. Where is avocado? Is it an avocado? No. Is this? No, no. Is it an avocado? Yes. Do you like this fruit? Of course, it's so yum. The next is an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Yes, all of us know this. So here is this apple. An apple. Now the next fruit is pear. Where are you? Yeah, here it is. Very beautiful and a yummy fruit. Yum, yum, yum. Pear. Toran. Where it is? Here it is. Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Toran. The last is the pomegranate. Who likes pomegranates? I think everybody likes this fruit. It's so healthy. Yes, a pomegranate. Go to your place. Bye bye, fruits.